Hello boys, a very good morning to you. This is Shravani Mujumdar, your English second paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I hope all of you are enjoying your voice class because I have tried my best to show you the easiest way. Okay, so today I'm back to you with the third part of voice tense, and I hope I'm going to complete it today. So you have to take out your CWO copy and write it down each and everything in your CWO copy. Okay, and boys, one more thing, I told you that at coronavirus is increasing day by day. You have to be very careful and you have to stay safe at your home. This is your duty. Okay, so let's go, and if you want you can use blue pen for making the notes, because using blue pen is not forbidden in your exam also. If you want to make the key points or mark the key points, you can use the blue pen. Okay, so boys, thank you for listening to me. Now let's go for our today's class. So first of all, you will write lecture 3, today's date, and also my name. You know my name, I am Shravani Mujumdar. Okay, so today we are going to learn present continuous tense, voice change on present continuous tense. Okay, this is very easy boys. I will show you something interesting today. First of all, look at the structure. Okay, subjective form of the object plus be verb. Sorry, there is 9 mistakenly, I have removed it. Okay, so first of all, subjective form of the object plus be verb, am being, is being, or are being, plus past participle form of the main verb, plus by, to, in, with, at, etc., plus objective form of the subject. So can you find out what is the difference actually? Okay, difference is in be verb. Okay, but everything is same, just you need to change the be verb according to the tense. Okay, if it is present indefinite tense, you will just bring am, is, or are. If it is present continuous tense, you will just write am being, is being, or are being according to the subject and also tense. Okay, so what is the change in boys? The change actually is in the use of be verb. Okay, so this is structure. Your duty is to learn the structure, memorize the structure. Okay, then exercise number 1, in active voice you can see the sentence, the boys are playing football. Okay, the boys are playing football. Now football is the object here, so we have to make it subject. Okay, football, then according to the subject, football is third person singular number, that's why there will be is. Then according to the rule, after is there will be being, is being, then the past participle form of the verb playing is played, then by, then the boys. The boys is person, that's why you have to use here by. Okay, number 2, Sheila is doing maths. Okay, so maths is the object. First of all, you have to put it in the position of subject. Okay, maths. So maths is plural, that's why you have to bring here are. একটা কথা মনে রাখবে, আমরা যখন অবজেক্টটাকে সাবজেক্ট করে দিব তখন কিন্তু ভার্বটা ওই সাবজেক্টটা অনুযায়ী বসবে। ফার্স্ট সেন্টেন্সে কি ছিল সেটা তখন আর চিন্তা করার দরকার নেই, আমি তখন ফোকাস করব সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্সে। ওকে, সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টটা আছে ম্যাথস, সো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য সাবজেক্ট অ্যান্ড অলসো অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য টেন্স দেয়ার উইল বি আর। ওকে, দেন অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য স্ট্রাকচার দেয়ার উইল বি বিং, then done, the past participle form of do is done, then by, then Sheila. As these are names, we need not change them. Okay, and boys, learning past participle form is mandatory for changing the voice. Okay, then number 3, the mother is cooking dinner. Okay, so dinner is the object, put it at the beginning of the sentence, dinner. Then dinner is third person singular number, that's why there will be is. Then according to the structure there will be being, then the past participle form of cook is cooked, then by the mother. So the mother is a name, so no need to change the subject. Okay, then number 4, the boys are flying kites. Kites is the object, make it subject in passive, kites. Then there will be are, as kites are plural, then being according to the structure, then the past participle form of fly is flown, then by the boys. Then the last one is the two boys are not eating the tiffin. Okay, the tiffin is the object, so make it subject. Tiffin is third person singular number, that's why there will be is, then there will be not, okay, as this is negative sentence. Then you will put a being according to the structure. Then the past participle form of the main verb eat is eaten by two boys. Okay, so this is very easy actually. If you learn the structure, changing voice is not difficult, so learning the structure is mandatory. Okay boys, so this is all about present continuous tense. I am going for present perfect tense. Okay, first of all you will learn the structure. Subjective form of the object, this is similar for every tense. Okay, subjective form of the object plus have been or has been. Okay, so what is the change? Only in the using of be verb. Okay, here as this is present perfect tense, you have to put have been or has been. Then past participle form of the main verb, same as before. Then by, to, in, with, at, etc. according to the use or okay or meaning. Then objective form of the subject. So this is very easy. If you just learn the structure one time, this is same for every time. Just you need to change the be verb for tense. Okay, তার মানে হচ্ছে প্রত্যেকটা টেন্সের ক্ষেত্রে স্ট্রাকচারটা সেম, শুধুমাত্র চেঞ্জটা হয় বি ভার্বের ক্ষেত্রে। সেটা যদি তুমি মেমোরাইজ করে রাখতে পারো তাহলেই তুমি ভয়েস চেঞ্জটা ইজিলি করতে পারবে। ওকে, এক্সারসাইজ, মাই মাদার হ্যাজ বট আ নিউ ড্রেস। সো নিউ ড্রেস ইজ দ্য object here, make it subject, a new dress. Then new dress is third person singular number, that's why there will be has. Okay, according to the structure there will be been. Then একটা কথা মনে রাখবে যে প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে অলওয়েজ পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্মটা দেওয়াই থাকে। সো তোমাকে আর নতুন করে কোনো কিছু আনতে হবে না, যেটা দেওয়া থাকে মানে হচ্ছে পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্ম নতুন করে আর তৈরি করতে হবে না। পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্ম যেটা আছে তুমি সেটাই জাস্ট বসিয়ে দিবে। ওকে, সো পাস্ট পার্টিসিপল ফর্মটা প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে অলরেডি দেওয়া থাকে, দ্যাটস ওয়াই ইউ নিড নট চেঞ্জ ইট। ওকে, বট, দেন বাই, মাই মাদার। ওকে, নাম্বার 2, দ্য ক্যাট হ্যাজ ড্রাঙ্ক দ্য মিল্ক। Okay, so the milk is the object, make it subject, the milk. The milk is third person singular number, that's why there will be has, then been according to the structure. Then drunk is already in past participle form. Then by, the cat. Okay, the girls have plucked the flowers. Okay, so here the flowers is the object, make it subject, the flowers. Now look at the sentence, the flowers. The flowers is third person plural. We know that with third person plural number we use have. Okay, যেমন ধরো দে, দের সাথে আমরা যেমন হ্যাভ ইউজ করি সেরকম থার্ড পারসন প্লুরাল যে কোনো নাম্বারের সাথেই আমরা হ্যাভ ইউজ করব। ওকে, থার্ড পারসন প্লুরাল নাম্বার উইথ থার্ড পারসন প্লুরাল নাম্বার উই ইউজ হ্যাভ। ওকে, সো দ্য the flowers have then been according to the structure. Plucked is already in past participle form. By, then the girls is the subject and you have to make it object of this passive voice. Okay, I have watched the movie. Okay, the movie is the object, make it subject, sorry, that movie. So that movie, then according to that movie is a third person singular, that's why there will be has, then been according to the structure. Then watched is already in past participle form, so no need to change it. By, now you have to write the objective form of I. The objective form of I is me. Okay, number last one, Peter has broken another window. Window is the object, now make it subject. Okay, another window, then has as it is third person singular number, then been according to the structure. Broken is already past participle form. Then by, then Peter is a name. I have told you that when there is a name you need not change it. Okay, so boys, this is all about present perfect tense and present continuous tense. This is all about our voice tense also. We have to do actually voice change on present tense for this term, and in this term we will do only present indefinite, present continuous and present perfect tense. Okay, so boys, this is all about your tense. Now I am going to give you some HW. You have to do this HW in your HW copy. Okay, change the active voice into passive voice. Okay, number 1, my friend appreciate my work. Number 2, I have written 6 letters. Number 3, he is learning English. Number 4, people speak English around the world. Number 5, she is making cake. Number 4, I have known her for a long time. Number 7, Rahul cleans the dishes every day. Number 8, I am reading a story. Number 9, our team has won the championship. Number 10, my father is washing a car. Okay, so this is your HW. You have to do this HW in your HW copy. Okay, and I am noticing that some boys are not giving presents, especially English version boys. I don't know what's your problem, but if you just want to ignore my class, or if you are not giving presents, so I am going to tell your teacher that you are not obeying to me. Okay, thank you boys for watching my class, and I would like to request you subscribe my channel, because you know that in your group there are lots of classes. Okay, so if you subscribe my channel and if you just press the notification bell, so when I will upload the class you will be automatically notified, and when you want to watch the class again and again, you can just go to my channel and watch my class. You know that finding a class in our group is difficult because there are lots of classes. Okay, so I think all of you have understood what I have said. Thank you very much boys for watching my class. See you in my next class. Till then, do this HW and try to learn each and everything that I have taught you. Okay boys, thank you very much.